morning, this is BBC World News. Have you ever associated genetics between mythology? Well, some Spanish researchers have answered our question by the discovery of a new craniofacial anomaly, phenotypically similar to a Cyclops. To obtain more information, we are going to connect with Hugo in the Andalusian Center of Investigation, Cabimer. Hugo, tell us more about this new discovery.
Right, Anna. Although individuals with HPE usually shows a similar phenotype to mythological Cyclops, it is really a consequence of a defect on the forebrain humans. We are here today with two investigators in order to focus on this disease. First of all, Marcelino, thank you very much for coming here. Could you tell us why does it happen?
Okay, thank you. Holoprosencephaly appears during the fourth week of embryonic development. Its causes are mainly genetic, going from single genes to whole chromosomes. However, there's an important influence of ambience in this disease. For example, if the mother suffers from diabetes, during pregnancy there's a higher risk of HPE.
But do we already know what genes are affected on this disease?
Yes, we already know 7 different types of HPE, each one being caused by a mutation on a different gene, being the most remarkable one, the Sonic the Hedgehog gene, which causes eye separation in the embryo.
Okay, so and now we move with Lucia Gomez to talk about the inheritance of this gene. Tell us about that.
The most compatible mode of inheritance is autosomal dominant, with incomplete penetrancy and variable expressivity. However, in most of the cases, the variants were inherited from an asymptomatic or only mildly affected parent. So, apart from autosomal dominant, the mode of inheritance could also be autosomal recessive, digenism, or also oligogenism, which means that 2 or more genes are involved in the development of this anomaly.
Oh, it sounds so complex. That's all from here, Anna. We are connecting with you again.
Thanks, Hugo, for the information. Now we are going to connect with the University Hospital Virgen Macarena with Silvia. Silvia, can you hear me?
Perfectly. Today we're interviewing Laura Comitre, an expert in diagnostic methods. Hi, Laura. How do you diagnose a case of holoprosencephaly?
Hi, Silvia. First, we investigate the presence of HPE within the family. Then we diagnose it through a prenatal ultrasound. And later on, we do a fetal MRI. To specify, we use molecular genetic testing techniques.
Wow, that's amazing. And what would you recommend to our new scientists to keep focusing on next?
HPE isn't completely understood yet, so we'll keep on working on the interactions between genes that cause HPE, the effects of the environments, and learn how to interfere in the mutations that cause it to revert it.
Well, thank you so much, Laura. And the future is uncertain but promising.
Thank you, Silvia. We move on to the next news. Lola, what can you tell us?
Good morning, Anna. Tonight is the European Resistance Night, and we'll talk with Pablo Huertas, who wants to bring science closer to